and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the Spring Fabfitfun box. So that's exciting. It feels a little lighter than it usually does, but you know, there could be some good stuff in here still, hopefully. So this is $49.99 every 3 months US. And if you do the annual membership, I believe you save $20. And your monthly or your quarterly is a little bit less. So let's get into it. So they will send you an email, usually like a month before, and you can customize several of your items. I can't remember how many I've customized or what I chose, which is nice because then it's still a surprise. There's this. Oh, there's some stickers. And here is our catalog that will tell us all of our pricing. So let's get into it. And that is what the inside of the box looks like. It looks very colorful. All right, let's dig into it here. What do we got? Oh, this is heavy. So this is from, who is this from? Halston. Oh, aloe infused gel lined socks and pumice stone. Does it say it is one pair of socks? So there's the pumice stone. I picked this. Shoe size 4 to 10. Like a 4 to a... I'm a size 10 to 11. So this is going to be a stretch. Oh my. Oh, weird. They smell good. So they are... I've got this texture on the bottom, so like anti-slip. And then the inside... Oh, it feels weird. So that's what the inside looks like. It's like rubbery and soft. I don't know that that's going to fit my giant foot. Seems to have a fair bit of stretch though. How odd. These are odd. Like they're very heavy. I can't even describe what the inside of this feels like without maybe perhaps being a tad inappropriate. But, you know, that's what it looks like. Like a gardening glove if it was moist, or a dish glove. Don't know. And then it's got a really nice size pumice stone. So that's very cute, very different, I like getting different types of things in boxes. So that's something I've never received before. Back in its package. All right. That is the first thing we've received. All right, next up is this from Earth Harbor. And it is a Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Do I have this already? Let's see. I believe I have something from this brand. And mine is green, so this is different. So this is, yes, so it's skin brightening. It's a really pretty blue color. Does it say what it helps with? It's named for treasured ocean blue botanicals. Possesses spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. I love anything that makes your skin tone even. So, yes. I do have something from this brand and I really like it. It's actually in my daily routine. Oh, it smells nice too. So, I'm happy to have this. And I love a good skincare. Next up, we have got what this is. Suns Out, Pouts Out. 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks. That's nice. So it's infused with cica and honeysuckle flower extract, and it's vegan. You get 4 masks. Not too shabby. All right, and then we have got, it looks like a nail color. So this is from Nails Inc. I really like this brand. I've got, this is my third, I think. Be Your Incredible Self, and it is in the shade Mayfair Lane, and it's just a really nice pale pink color, perfect for spring. Let's see if we can swatch it on something. This is a really pretty color. Let's do the back of this. Yeah, that's a really, really nice neutral pink color for spring. Very, very nice. I will be enjoying that. All right, next up we got some slippers. I feel like I chose these. They're really cute. Really fluffy. So these are a medium to large. And I hope that they are large enough for my large feet. So these have got memory foam. They're a little stiff. Work those in. Yeah, they're just really cute little slippers. Pink and fluffy. Alright, then what do we have? Not a great amount of stuff in here. What's this? This is from Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol. And yeah, with Retinol 8, sorry. I love a good eye cream. Firming and smoothing eye serum with Retinol 8. I will enjoy that. Alright, and then we have something in a pouch. Oh, I picked this. This is a this is a hair scarf set. I love head scarves, hair scarves. I have short hair though now, so I can't maybe use them as well as I could have. Comes this cute little pouch. Oh, this is from Lark and Ives. I think it was 2 or 3 we get. And it gives you a little instructions on how to maybe tie them. So it comes with 2, like this nice beige color, and then this pretty pink and black. Let's see if I can do one quick. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't think I'm going to be able to even fit that around my big melon. Oh no. These don't look very large. But I would just like do this and that, and then I would just like, I don't even know. Oh yeah, that's a good look. This is not very big. So if you have a big melon, you might want to use it for the other ways it's been suggested. So like around a bun or around your neck or on your bag. So, I mean, I'm sure, oh, I don't love the texture of them. I'm sure I can figure a way to use those. And then I feel like this is already our last item. I picked this LED indoor planter. Everyone has a story. Ours is short. We design thoughtfully curated pieces that make modern style accessible to everyone. I have really come into loving plants lately. I think I went from having 1 to now I have like 20. And I have a whole, most of them are all low light, low maintenance, so I don't kill them. But I thought this was going to be a good idea to grow some herbs. Isn't that cute? So yeah, it's like you water in there and then you grow your plants in here and it lights up, which is perfect. I love getting housewares in these boxes because you don't often get housewares. I love a good houseware. Okay, let's see what our box is valued at. I believe it'll tell us the value is supposed to be between something and something, but I think it has to be over 300. It doesn't say. All right, let's figure out what we got and how much we paid for it. All right, so we got 1C. So the short stories LED planter is $60. Oh, and it comes with large leaf basil seeds as well, which is another $2.49. I love basil. I love it. Is that all we got on that page? Yes. All right, and then the Verso. Let's just put the stuff back in the box if I find it. The Verso eye serum is valued at $65. Nice. The slippers are valued at $48. That's an expensive slipper. And then on the next page, the socks, the funky socks, were valued at $30. No, I'm lying. I do apologize for lying to you so much. 5E. $40. The hair scarf bundle. I don't believe it's $30. Not quite so sure about that. What else do we get? The lip masks, $16. And the, what is this called? The Earth Harbors Marina Biome Ampoule, $38. And the Nails Ink nail polish is $15. Let's do some calculations and see how much it's worth. I did the calculations, so apparently it's not supposed to be over $300 because my box is valued at $278.49. But that's still much more than I paid for it. And I will use all the things except maybe the scarves, which is unfortunate because I do love that kind of stuff because I am a hippie at heart. But yeah, overall, you know, it was a good box. When you pay a little bit more and you only get it every 3 months, it's nice to be able to enjoy it. I have canceled this subscription in the past, but you know, I've been pleasantly pleased with it. And yeah, I will use everything in here. I just wish these worked. Like going in the Corvette, you know, I don't have a Corvette. Corvette convertible, I meant to say. Sorry, the time change. Oh, there we go. You know what? I would actually wear it like this. I would. Just pull the hair down. Oh, yeah. It's cute. I don't even care. I would wear it like this. Yeah. So I want to thank everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you know, that would be great as well. And you can do that here. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.